This is Nokia G22, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So firstly, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. If you do not have it pre-installed, you will need to get it for free from the Play Store. Now let me quickly remove documents I have here. And then, in order to start the scanning process, tap at this plus icon, choose the scan option from the list, grant Drive app with the camera permission, and then once the camera interface launches, take a photo of whatever document you wanted to scan. Once the photo is taken, if you're satisfied with the result, you gotta proceed. If not, simply retake the picture. At this interface, you can edit your result. For example, you can change the file color scheme, rotate the file, or perhaps crop the original photo you took and frame the part of it you would like to actually end up in the PDF file we are about to create. Then hit the save button. If you want to, you can set a custom file name or change the drive folder it will be saved to, and then hit the save button one last time, wait for your file to be uploaded to Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.